Hello everyone. Today I bought you one beautiful app for children. Chalo, let's start. So firstly I have signed up the page. In this we have to write our username as, now I am giving as a username as Aaron, and I am choosing an alphabet as D and class as 3. Now I am gonna submit this page. After submitting, we will be open like this images. Wow, it's nice. So I'm gonna select one image from this. Now I'm gonna select doggy, and again it's showing that first we have to log in this page. So now again I'm giving the name as Aaron, and I'm selecting the alphabet as D and class as 3. So I'm submitting. So after submission, when I click the same image, here it's showing that you choose correct image. Yay. Okay then. Now again we have to press OK. After that, see, they are showing that solve image puzzle. See, and now I'm gonna move slide to the right, and I have completed this puzzle. So after completing this page, they'll show please submit your homework. So I'm gonna choose file, and I will upload my homework here. So I'm gonna upload my homework. See once. Okay, I have uploaded my homework here itself. As this flowers I have uploaded. So this is considered it as my homework. So if you want again, then we'll go just refresh the page, and again we can do the same thing, but now I'm gonna just will check by another name. Now I'm sign upping this page, and I'm giving my username as Mohan. We'll see like alphabet as M and class as 10th class. So see, we got mango, Mike, monkey, moon and mice. Now I'm gonna select this monkey. Oh, it's so cute. So again we have to log in the page, and again we have to write the username as earlier, and I'm gonna select the alphabet in that as M and class as 10. Okay, I have submitted the page. So after submitting, if you click on monkey page image, then it's showing okay, you choose correct image. Okay, after completing it, we'll get the solve puzzle captcha. So I'm gonna drag this right, and we have completed the captcha. After completing, again I'm gonna submit my homework as, just click on the choose file and just submit the homework. Yay, finally we have done our homework also.